Hello again, everybody. Another job order, and this is a factory work. The job location is in Yokohama, Kanagawa, and we need 5 people for this job. There will be a shifting schedule for this job, and the salary starts from 220,000 yen to 270,000 yen, and there will be bonus also for this job. So this is a full-time employment, and there is a bonus for this. So again, this is a factory work, and the working area is in Yokohama, Kanagawa. So if you are willing to apply for this job, please let us know. Comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 03-620-68058. And by the way, we need 5 people for this, and if you are away from our main office, Tokyo, you can also request for online interview. You can look for my name, Bing. So again, you can call our office number at 03-620-68058, and the interview for this will be tomorrow, January 13. Thank you.